Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fill in Google Forms or any type of form automatically. Nowadays there's many people and companies asking you to fill out your name, your email, your phone number, your address, your comments and other things, but after doing it for a while you get annoyed trying to type the same thing over and over again. So I'm going to automate it and show you how you can fill in your name, your email automatically, just typing it one time using this code and program. Before I start and explain the code, I would like to show you how it looks like. So it automatically opens up Google Chrome. And then this is the link, the website I directed it to give. This is the same form. It's Google Forms. And for this demonstration, it's just random people names. So I already tested this 90 times, but I looped it where it's just 10 people in range, so it submits 10 times with different people's information, fake information. And so this repeats 10 times, and then after it's done, it closes by itself. So this is Christopher, which is right here. Yeah, Christopher. And so he showed up right now. And so that's what it does every time someone submits it. And then there's Franklin, so someone's going to be here after he submits. And so that's Franklin. So if you do this 10 times, that's what it is. And it fills in your name, your email, your address, your phone number, and comments. For the comments, I just put a dash, but it doesn't matter. Before starting this, I had to download Chrome driver, which helps with one of the packages, Selenium. So you go to chromedriver.chromium.org/downloads, and then you download the version that the version you have for Chrome. I have the 108 version, so I download this, and wherever I download it, I save the path where I downloaded it. So I downloaded in applications, and then get info where, so that I copy and paste this into the code, which is path, so users Cosmos applications Chromium driver. So that's where I would paste it. And then you would also need to make a new form. I already created one, but in order to make one, you just do contact form, and then it creates one. And if you hit send and the link, you can shorten the URL, and you copy this and paste it into your website. So this is the website that your information, your name, your email, your phone number is going to go into. I already created one, so okay. For the webs, so you need Selenium. These are the packages. To go to packages, you just go to Python packages and you type in these package names. I already installed them, and so there would be install button every time for a new package. So you would do Selenium, you would do one for WebDriver, Chrome service, time, and I don't think you have to do for time. And then you have to do one for pandas. Pandas is a data manipulation package, and so you can manipulate your data. And yeah, and then these are the paths. This is the service of your path, and then this is your driver. This fake-data.scv is this. And so to get this fake information, these random people names, I installed a package called Faker, and it gives fake information. I set a range of 10, so it would generate randomly 10 people every time I ran the program, the main program. And it would have a name, email, a mail, and an address. and it would also have a 10 for in range of 10 for a phone number in comment, and then I would convert this Python file to a .csv file. And when I run this, I would generate a fake dash underscore data .csv file, and this is what that is. And so it would have a name, email address, phone number, comments, and this is just for one example. If you rerun this code, this would change because it's just random people and their information. And this is what that is. And then this was just to help me for the for loop. And so I take this data and then I put it in here to read the file. And then this would be the length of this would be the website, and every time it loads, I wait for 3 minutes. It would wait for 3 minutes, and then this is, if you open Google, this only works in Google. So if you do inspect, it shows you the code of the website. If you do to input, and so if you type in this code, and so I just said name, and so this would be the name. This is what the input of the user would be, and if you did email, it would be the email. And so this would be this code, but address does not work. If I typed in address, it would not work. So I used or, this is or, and another syntax, and this is column, which is columns of these name, email address, phone number, comments. That's the columns. And then this would be the send keys, and then this is the submit button here. And this is the same thing for the submit button. You would just find where the attribute is, where the tags are for each of these. So these are all div tags, but you would find where it is, and you would just put the value in. And so if there wasn't this, it wouldn't automatically submit. So if you include it, it would submit. And so this is how it would run. If I do run it again the whole time, it just populates random information that you included. This was just when I opened it for the first trial, and this is how it would look like. Each of the information was separated by a comma with no spaces, and so the information was divided with commas. You could also just do forward slashes to separate the comma, but you can't have spaces. And so this is how it would run. You could also see which one's the same and which one's not. Like this one I tested myself, but there are 88 responses with dashes. And so this would just run 10 times, and then it would close on itself. And this was just an example for how this would work. And inside the four column in would be this. So Benjamin would be this person. So these are new people every time. And each of their names would correspond to their emails. Same with their phone number. And also for the driver.quit, this is what it makes it close for the Google Chrome to close by itself. So it closed by itself, and now it's done. I hope you enjoyed learning how you can make things automated for your Google Forms and surveys. Thank you.